This is the elevator here at JCPenney, Valley View? Valley Hills Mall in Hickory, North Carolina. What the heck is this thing? Oh, look, it's a Montgomery vector. This is for Justin. Nice. Look at that lantern. Installed probably in the 90s. Maybe 80s. And maybe one. Interesting. Let's go to 2. Motor. Ooh. Gotta reach to push 1. There's door open, door closed, and an alarm. Ooh, 88 phone. Look at that piece of garbage in there. Montgomery. Anyway, 1. Let's see what the buttons are down here. This is interesting. Huh. That's an interesting button. Oh. Look at this cab. This cab is very pink. Alrighty, here we go up to 2. What a weird elevator. This probably used to be a vector button right here. That's just a weird button. There it goes. And I guess that is going to be it for me.